In this lesson, we will learn on how to describe the well-defined sets, subsets, universal sets, and the null set and cardinality of sets. We're going to illustrate also the union and intersection of sets and difference of two sets. We're going to use Venn diagrams to represent sets, subsets, and set operations. And lastly, we're going to solve problem involving sets. Before we start our discussion, let us unlock first the different words that we're going to encounter. When we say integers, ito yung mga number na kabilang sa negative infinity o yung mga negative numbers, 0 up to positive infinity o positive number. Kapag sinabi nating whole numbers, ito naman ang mga number na laging magsisimula sa 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to positive infinity numbers. Kapag sinabi namang counting or natural numbers, lagi tayo magsisimula sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to positive infinity. Kung mapapansin nyo, wala na yung 0 kasi kapag nagbibilang tayo, lagi tayong nag-i-start sa 1. So, kapag may 0 ang umpisa, yun ay whole number. So, ito ay counting numbers or natural number dahil magsisimula tayo sa 1. Pag sinabi naman nating even numbers, okay, ito naman yung numbers na 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and numbers na divisible by 2. Okay? So, para mas malaman natin kung ano yung even numbers, pwede tayo mag-skip counting by 2. Start tayo sa 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, up to infinity. So, when we say odd numbers, it is the numbers that starts with 1, followed by 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. Okay? So, alam na natin ang pagkakaiba ng even numbers sa odd numbers. So, once na tayo ay mag-exam, alam nyo na kung ano ang kanilang pagkakaiba at madali nyo nang ma-identify ang odd and even numbers. When we say prime numbers naman, ang tanging multiplier niya lang ay 1 and itself. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Next ay composite numbers. When we say composite numbers, ito yung mga number na hindi lang 1 and itself ang kanyang factors. For example, si 4, hindi lang 4 times 1 ang kanyang factor, kundi meron din siyang 2 times 2. Okay? Halimbawa, si 6, hindi lang siya 6 times 1. Pwede rin siyang 2 times 3. Okay? Kung maaalala ninyo, si prime number ay number na ang multiplier niya or ang factor niya ay only 1 and itself. So, bakit wala si 1 sa composite number? Wala din siya sa prime numbers because 1 is a special number. Pag sinabi natin perfect squares, ito yung mga product ng number na minomultiply natin by itself. For example, 1. 1 times 1 is equals to 1. Okay? So, perfect square yung 1. Next naman, yung 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So, yung 4 is yung product ng 2 times 2. Therefore, 4 is a perfect square. Next, 3 times 3, 9. Therefore, 9 is a perfect square. 16. 4 times 4 is equals to 16. Therefore, 16 is a perfect square. 25. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. Therefore, 25 is a perfect square. So, yan yung mga product ng mga number na minumultiply natin sa itself nila. Okay, pag sinaban naman natin multiples, ito yung mga numbers na pwede nating i-skip counting. For example, ang multiple na hinahanap, okay, ay multiples of 3. So, ano yung mga multiples of 3? So, mag-skip counting lang tayo by 3. So, multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on. So, ganun lang. For example, another example is 5. 5, then 15, 20, 25, and so on. Okay, next is factor. When we say factor, these are the numbers which can be divided without remainder. So, for example, sa 6, ang factors ng 6 ay 1, 2, 3, and 6. So, when we divide this factor sa 6, there will be no remainder. Okay? Yung 6 divided by 1 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So, there is no remainder at all. Now, let's identify set. So, what is a set? A set is a group or collection of objects. It is named using capital letter. Each object in a set is called a member or an element of a set. So, pag sinabi natin set, ito ay grupo o koleksyon ng mga bagay. Okay? Yun yung set. Okay? At kapag mag-name tayo ng sa set, okay, it should be start in a capital letter. At ang bawat member ng sa set ay tinatawag na element of a set. Okay, again, element is the member in a set. So, ito yung symbol ng element. Okay? And, ito naman yung symbol kapag hindi siya element ng set na yon. For us to understand more what is a set and element, let us have an example. Set A is a set of school days in a week. When we say school days in a week, ito lang yung mga araw na may pasok sa school. So, set A is a set of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So, yun yung mga araw na may pasok lang sa school. So, in short, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are called members of or element of a given set. So, Monday is an element of set A, Saturday is not an element of set A, and Friday is an element of set A. Okay, another example is set B is a set of counting numbers less than 7. Okay, so ano yung mga numbers that is less than 7? So, set B is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, in short, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ay yung mga numbers or element lamang na mababa sa 7. Okay, another example, set C is a set of primary colors. So, ano yung mga primary colors? So, set C is a set of yellow, red, blue. So, in short, yung yellow, red, at blue ay mga primary colors. So, sila yung element ng set ng primary colors. Okay? So, now, let us identify well-defined set. Okay, so let us have set A. So, set A is a set of primary colors. Is that a well-defined set? Okay, pag sinabi ba natin set of primary colors, we can already give yung mga colors that are primary? Yes, okay. Pwede nating maibigay agad kung ano yung mga primary colors like yellow, blue, and red. Okay, so set A is a well-defined set. How about set B? So set B is set of beautiful girls in school. Okay, so is set B a well-defined set? No, it is not a well-defined set. Why? Because of the word beautiful. Because yung beautiful, okay, para sa akin, pwedeng siya ay beautiful. Okay, para sa inyo, hindi. Merong mas maganda pa kaysa sa kanya. So, we cannot really identify, okay, yung beautiful girls in school. So, set B is not a well-defined set. How about set C? Set C is set of months in a year. Okay, we can easily identify the months in a year. Okay, we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So, we can give, mabibigay agad natin, okay, yung months in a year. Okay, because set C is a well-defined set. Now, how about the set D? Is it a well-defined set? No. Set D is not a well-defined set because of the word popular. Okay? Because set D, set of popular actors, we cannot identify. Okay? Because for us, individually, we have our own popular actor. Meron tayong kanya-kanyang paborito. Okay? Sa atin ay sikat. So, set D is not a well-defined set. Okay? While set E is a set of excellent singers. Ganon din. Parang sa popular actors. Okay? Meron tayong para sa atin is magaling silang singer. Sa iba naman ay hindi. So, we cannot identify, okay, kung sino talaga yung excellent singer. So, set E is not a well-defined set. Okay, next. Set F. Set of even numbers. So, set of even numbers, okay, ayan. So, set of even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, or we can easily skip counting by 2. So, set F is a well-defined set. Okay, let's have empty or null set. When we say empty or null set, this is a set with no members or elements. It is denoted by symbol open brace and close brace for empty set and the symbol for null set. Okay, pag sinabi nating empty or null set, okay, walang element, okay, sa isang set. Okay, for example, in set A, this is a set of triangles with 4 sides. So, this is a null set. Bakit null set? Kasi it is impossible for a triangle to have 4 sides. Ilan lang ba ang side ng triangle? Diba? 3 lang. So, in triangle, we only have 3 sides. Okay? So, this is a null set. Okay, for set B, set of months in a year start with B. Okay, so this is empty set. Meron ba tayong months that starts with B? Okay, so none. Okay, so this is an empty set. And set C, set of whole numbers less than 0. Okay, so meron ba tayong numbers? Okay, whole numbers na mas mababa sa 0. Okay, pag sinabi natin 0, whole number less than 0, okay, hindi siya negative ha. Okay, so it is impossible. Okay, so this is a null set or empty set. Okay, kapag cardinality of set naman, this refers to the number of elements in a given set. It is denoted by the symbol n. Okay, pag sinabi natin cardinality of a set A, it is written as, ayan, n A. Okay? So, set of primary colors for set A. Ito yung set of primary colors. Okay, again, ang set of primary colors sa set A is yellow, blue, and red. Okay, so set A has 3 elements. Okay, yung yellow, the first one, blue, the second one, and red is the third one. So, cardinality ng set A is 3. How about set B? Set B is school days in a week. Okay, days na mayroon ng pasok sa isang linggo sa eskwelahan. Okay, so set B is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, merong 5 elements. So, N, okay, cardinality of set B is equal to 5. Okay, so remember then sa cardinality, okay, if the set is empty or null set, there will be no element in a given set. Okay, wala tayong mabibilang na element because it is empty or null set.
Let's have universal sets and Venn diagrams. So the universal set is a general set that contains all elements under discussion. Venn diagram was created by John Venn. It shows the visual relationship among sets. While the universal set is represented by a rectangle, subsets within the universal set are depicted by circles or sometimes ovals or other shape. So let us determine set from a Venn diagram. So using the Venn diagram, you will determine each of the following set. Set U, we have circle, triangle, dollar sign, M, and 5. While in set A, we have circle and triangle. So the set of elements in U are not present in set A, such as dollar sign, M, and 5. Okay, let us know the different kinds of sets that representing two sets in a Venn diagram. First is disjoint set. When we say disjoint sets, these are the two sets that have no elements in common. So as you can see in the picture, okay, or sa kanila pong representation, ayan, set A and set B is not overlapping because they have no elements in common. Next, equal set. If A is equal to B, then A is a subset of B and B is subset of A. Ayan ang makikita sa kanilang representation. Next is proper subset. All elements of set A are elements of set B. Okay? So, lahat pala ng elements na makikita kay set A ay elements din ni set B. Okay? So, these are called proper subsets. Next, sets with some common element. Some means at least one that representing the set must overlap. So, kung meron silang common element, okay, yung two set, okay, mag-o-overlap po yung Venn diagram. Okay? Okay, let's have the complement of a set. When we say the complement of set, okay, it is symbolized by A, then merong apostrophe. It is the set of all elements in the universal set that are not in A. So this idea can be expressed in set builder notation as follows. So complement of set A is equals to elements of U is not an element of set A. Okay, the shaded region represents the complement of set A. This region lies outside the circle. So, yung nasa labas po ng set A or ng circle ng diagram. Okay? So, yun ang complement of Okay, let's have the intersection and union of set. When we say intersection, it is written as A, ayan, intersect B is the set of elements common to both set A and set B. Okay, ayun yung makikita sa diagram, yung nag-overlap din yung sa gitna. Ibig sabihin doon po sila nag-intersect. This definition can be expressed in set builder notation as follows. So, A intersect B is equals to element of A and element of B. So, ano naman yung union? So, union is written as A union B is the set of elements are in A or B or in both set. This definition can be expressed in set builder notation as follow. Okay? A union B is element of A or element of B. For any set A, ayan. Okay, ayan po ang intersection and union of sets. Okay, now let us have a problem solving. So as you can see on the screen, I have one problem here that we're going to solve using the Venn diagram. Okay, so I will read the problem. So 50 students were interviewed about their color preference. They were asked to choose among red, blue, and yellow. Make a Venn diagram using the data below. So 26 students like yellow, 26 students like blue, 30 students like red, 16 students like red and yellow, 13 students like blue and yellow, 12 students like red and blue, 7 students like red, blue, and yellow, and 2 students do not like red, blue, and yellow. So now, we're going to represent this data in a Venn diagram. Okay, so as you can see, I have made 3 circles, okay, representing the red, the blue, and the yellow. Okay, R is for red, B is for blue, and Y is for yellow. And may color din naman yung sheet. Okay? So, first, paano ba nilalagay yung mga data sa Venn diagram? Okay, this is the common mistake of the student as they plot the data in the Venn diagram. So, nilalagay lang nila yung mga data na ganito. So, yung 26 sa yellow, 26 sa loob ng blue, 30 sa loob ng red, 16 sa gitna ng red and yellow, 30 sa gitna ng blue and yellow, 12 sa gitna ng red and blue, 7 sa gitna ng red, blue, and yellow, then 2 is sa labas lang because they do not like red, blue, and yellow. This is the common mistake of the student. But ito yung tamang way on how to plot the data in a Venn diagram. So now let us solve this one. Okay, so as you can see, I have made 3 circles, okay, representing the red, the blue, and the yellow. Okay, R is for red, B is for blue, and Y is for yellow. And may color din naman yung sheet. Okay, so first, paano ba nilalagay yung mga data sa Venn diagram? Okay, this is the common mistake of the student as they plot the data in the Venn diagram. So, nilalagay lang nila yung mga data na ganito. So, yung 26 sa yellow, 26 sa loob ng blue, 30 sa loob ng red, 16 sa gitna ng red and yellow, 30 sa gitna ng blue and yellow, 12 sa gitna ng red and blue, 7 sa gitna ng red, blue, and yellow, then 2 is sa labas lang because they do not like red, blue, and yellow. This is the common mistake of the student. But ito yung tamang way on how to plot the data in a Venn diagram. So now let us solve this one. So this is the right way on how to plot the data in a Venn diagram. Okay, so magsimula tayo sa baba. Okay, so nakikita natin 50 lang yung student. Okay, so kung gagawin natin yung kanina, magto-total ng 126 yung student. 50 lang po yung student natin. So, mali na agad yun. So, first, gawin natin is yung dalawang student na hindi gusto or hindi nagustuhan yung red, blue, and yellow. So, sa labas lang siya na diagram. Next, yung 7 naman na like yung red, blue, and yellow. So, doon natin siya ilalagay sa gitna sa overlapping ng blue, red, and yellow. So, it is 7. Now, yun naman, yung sa gitna ng blue and red. Okay? So, meron na dito sa loob yung 7. Kita yung sa blue and yellow. Ngayon, para malaman natin yung may gusto ng red and blue, di ba dito 7 na yung may gusto ng red, blue, and yellow. Ngayon naman, dito sa red and blue, ima-minus lang natin yung total. Okay? I-minus natin. Kung 7 ang may gusto ng red, blue, and yellow, i-minus natin yon. 12 minus 7, ang matitira ay 5. 5 na, okay, 5 na student na lang. Now, next naman is yung 30 na gusto yung blue and yellow. Okay, meron na tayo, given na yung 7. Okay, so minus lang natin yung 13 sa 7, it is equal to 6. Same with, ayan, red and yellow. 16 naman dito, given na yung 7. Okay, so 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. Okay, paano naman natin malalaman kung ilan naman yung may gusto ng red lang? Okay, as you can see, meron tayo dito sa gilid yung 5, 7, 9. Okay, add natin yan lahat. So, 5 plus 7 equals to 12, plus 9 equals to 21, minus natin sa 30. Kasi 30 may gusto ng red. So, 30 minus 21 is equals to, ayan, 9. Okay, how about yung blue naman? Okay, meron tayo itong 5, 7, 6. Okay, so add lang natin ulit, katulad ng ginawa natin kanina dun sa red. Okay, so 5 plus 7, 12, plus 6, 18. So, ang ilan ang may gusto ng blue? 26. So, 18 minus, 26 minus 18 is equals to 8. So, same with yellow. Okay, ayan, given na yung 9, 7, and 6. Add lang natin, 9 plus 7. Okay, 16 plus 6, 22. Ayan, tapos, yellow. Ang gusto ng may gusto ng yellow ay 26. So, minus natin. So, 26 minus 22 is equals to 4. So, check natin kung 50 students nga ba to. Okay, so 9 plus 5. Ayan, sa red tayo muna ha. 9 plus 5, 14, plus 7, 21, plus 9, 30. Okay, plus 8, 38, plus 6, 44, plus 4, 48, plus 2, 50. So, total of 50 students. So, tama yung computation natin.